Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about the audio element in HTML. In this video, I will be using VS Code, so let's get it. What is an audio element in HTML? An audio element in HTML simply lets us play an audio in our website. To write an audio element, first write the open and close tags, both with the keyword of audio. After the keyword in your open tag, write a src attribute, short for source. Follow it by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotes, write the name of your audio file and its type after the dot. One thing you should know about the VS Code file is that you can't access anything outside your Visual Studio's coding folder. So make sure that your audio file is in your Visual Studio's coding folder. Also make sure to write the controls attribute. Without the controls attribute, you will have no user control over your audio element. So write the control attribute and you will have basic user controls. If we play this,
Yeah, boy.
we can hear our audio. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.